Are we ready?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I am thoroughly... No. I need to change my perspective. I want to say that I'm very, very grumpy. I'm very, very grumpy at this audacity over here. The fact that it would have been a winning trade, it didn't even wick me out. It got me out by a spread. It got me out by a spread. Oh well. I guess why I say I need to change my perspective is the fact that it does prove that the TMT strategy is back. I made a whoopsie. Actually, theoretically, it was my fault. I should have used the full range because it had not retraced to the 50. If I had used the full range, you can see it literally would have wicked in. I would have bottom ticked it. So it was a lesson learned. No harm, no foul. Now we can move on. Right, now we move on. What's up, Atlanta? And what's up, Joy? How are you guys doing? Like I said, I'm a little bit salty. Just a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let's mark out the things that we have to mark out. Like these. We have equal highs with the London high. Ooh, okay. I took a very small loss. But no, it was an A+ setup. Yeah. It was an A+ setup, but I used this range. As you can see, just took me out, whereas I should have used this range. In which case it would have bottom ticked. It's fine. It was $20. I'm not gonna be sitting here crying over $20. OTT, what's up? How are you doing? It did also go and take out Asia low, so that's cool. Why did you use one range instead of the others? What do you mean, Atlanta? Don't understand. What do you mean? Ooh, interesting about this one. Let's see. Ooh. OTT, the TMT strategy is back. It's happening. There's a what? So pivot didn't get invalidated, looking for longs both on ES and NQ. Yes. So because it had climbed so high, I used this range from here to here, which was technically against my rules. Like I said, lesson learned, lesson learned. Rules dictate if 50% of the previous range has not been hit, I do not go to the next one. Which I did. The 50% of this range had not been retraced, so technically this was the correct range. But it is what it is. We move on. Go fun. What's up? You think it's gonna be a wild time at the opening? Why? What do you know? What do you know that I don't? Oh my gosh. I mean, the daily just looks ridiculous. Let's check 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour done. You're teaching me something new. It would be a wild time at the opening for sure. Yeah, Landa, so technically, so when it comes to the ranges, especially with retracing 50%, yeah, normally you don't move to the next range until the 50% has been retraced of the full range. It doesn't always obviously work, but in general, that tends to happen. AKA touch nothing until the picture is clear. Yeah, that's valid. Hands off, sit back, enjoy the show, and then go for it. 1 hour. Okay. One hour. Cool. 15 minutes. What are you guys looking for today? What are you thinking? What you feeling? Okay. 15 minute. 5 minute. What's up, Debbie? How you doing? Joy of travel, you say longs all day. Really? Sticking with the longs, hey? We are gonna have to see what what brings. What New York brings. That is just it. For anybody that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Let's do this. Guess that's all. Let's do this thing. Whoopsies. Okay, we have a few minutes left to go. I kind of went through everything rather quickly, so that's cool. That's cool. Anybody else get a whoop whoop? What are the thoughts here? I mean, we're kind of bouncing off of VWAP a little bit, so we're still stuck on this. I see we kind of have been in a range here. Guess it's like you guys said, hands off unless I get my A+ set up. Otherwise, it's hands off. Let's do this thing. That's what she said. Hey, Brian, what's up? How you doing? Of course, I do have in mind that we can still go short, but long term, I am long. That's valid. Hey, Richie boy, what's up? How you doing? And my success life. Hi. Do you have a successful life? Hey, Stuart Soap Cove. Yes, NQ again. Always NQ. Gotta try and tame the diva. Yeah. Gotta tame the diva. That's all you can do. Ooh, that's a bit of a drop. I mean, OTT, I remember that little sneaky you got. Good grief. That little sneaky long you took. It is bugging me. It is bugging me that TradingView changed these symbols. I know why they did it and it makes sense, but it is bugging me that they now look like this. Did anyone else notice that? That they changed their long and short position? Now they've put a little L and an S. It never used to have those. Like I said, I understand why they've put it, but I don't like it. Just because I'm used to it being a certain way. That is very irritating. Is that just me? Is that a me issue? Has anyone else noticed it? Does anyone else even care? I'm the same. I switched only trading, yes, make life so much easier. There we go, exactly. So Richie Boy is also trading. Thanks. Is Traderfy good? Oh yeah, Traderfy is a great prop firm. They are really, really good. I'm hoping we don't range in New York open, make the bottom to get out of this range. I think we'll probably have sell off on open. All-time highs. What's up, Cameron? How you doing? Volume coming. I've noticed and it was clear enough before I thought. Hey, literally, thank you, Debbie. I don't touch anything until I see a good push-up on the 4-hour. All-time highs during this war is crazy. That's bad. Okay, thank you, Debbie. I'm glad that you acknowledged that because I was like, don't know how I feel about this, but okay then. Whatever. I mean, we got a little bit of time, right? 4 minutes to go. Joy of travel, which time frame are you trading on? By the way, I'm pretty sure I've asked you this before and I'm pretty sure you've answered. I'm sorry, I'm curious. If there is a truce signed, it's gonna pump. Do you think a truce is gonna be signed though? I don't know, I don't trust any of the news anymore. OPEX is this Friday, so once all those puts expire, we should dump. Oh, interesting. So Karen, okay, whoa. So then what do you think is gonna happen tomorrow? Let's not think about right now. I think whatever's gonna happen today is gonna happen today, but what do you think is gonna happen tomorrow and then next week? Okay, so your entry is on 5 minutes. I guess we shall see. It's valid. That's a valid answer, Stuart. Can't argue with that one. Right now, yeah, Richie. Right now, market is sideways. Let's see what New York brings us. Chop to kill premium on Friday since the put to call ratio is still high. And then next week, you think we're going to start getting that massive retracement? Sorry, I'm sitting like a shrimp. I'm literally sitting like a shrimp. Bad. Hey, Praveen, what's up? How are we doing? Oh, do you know when your face is just itchy? That's how my face is dealing today. Ah, Praveen, you know, I cannot complain. Just watching the time. 2 minutes to go. And then we have New York open. And then let's see what we get. No ways. Monday open with a 1,000 point down gap. Nah, I don't know about that. That seems like it's pushing it. Hey, Gagan. Long time no see. How you doing? How you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What's up, Louie? How you doing? All you gotta do is go to the day chart. I've already gone to the day chart, Louis. Hello, we can see. I was already down there. Oh, damn. Is he? What's your father saying, OTT? Oh, on the daily? What gap are you talking about, Louis? Now I'm confused. Are we already in overbought territory, but they can't let all those puts down. Hey, oh, son, what's up? How you doing? Well, I mean, I've only hopped on now. Wait, here's opening. Are we ready? 10 seconds to go. 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
I low-key expected more, but no, oh, there we go. There we go. That's what I expected. I think we can't watch down from a full port. Oh my gosh. Absolutely not. Not gonna full port. Whoa. Okay then. Good call, Debbie. How big was this? Ah, 60-point candle. Not bad. I do not like this. I am very uncomfortable with what they've done here. I am upset. But ain't nothing I can do about it. Oh well, 9:30 AM range. Let's see what we get next. Okay, okay. Whoa. Holy guacamole. Okay, well, let's see what it does once it's taken out all the sell side liquidity. Okay. So that's not a first presented. Patience pays, patience pays. I have to remind myself that. Who took sell off trade? You're welcome. Did anyone take a quick sneaky short or no? Ooh, that was a proper liquidity hunt right there. Okay. I'm not loving how this looks on ES right now. Thanks, Debbie. I'm up 536. Wow. Ryan, really? Did you actually full port a short? Low-key sounds like that's what you did, which is insane.
Nice.
Oh, don't say finally short just yet. We've only just begun. Literally. We have only just begun this. Let's not get too excited. I sold. It was a fast TP. Nice, Louis. Okay. It seems like that was it for now. Still struggling to break. Up level and down. Right, on eval, so oh, is that what you're on? Trading is a sport where you win like a beggar and lose like a king. What do you mean by that? That makes absolutely no sense. What sound? Just got a 1.5 hour short of that first 5-minute candle. Very clear, nice sell off today, but the 5-minute candle is wickety wild. Live sound, how are you doing? I can't believe you're trading while on holiday. How are you? Did you miss me? You're not back, right? Okay, here's our 5-minute candle. Okay. Still don't have a first presented. What's up, USA Diary? How are you? I hope you're doing amazing. I know, but I've been stuck in a loop where I'm so close and then I do a bad trade. How close are you to passing your eval? The nice with some nice out on the bar at the hotel golf, piece of yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, life sound. It was a trip. It was a journey, but I'm here. I made it. Don't know how, but we're doing this thing. And now we just go one day at a time. Oh my gosh. Wi-Fi? Okay, struggling to break below. I think the sell's like, yeah. If we break daily open, we're going down for sure. Did they have something? No, it did not. Lime green. Oh. Son, what? I have no idea what you're saying. Sorry. Not a clue. Wait a second. We might have our first presented here. Oh my goodness. See, it's about to tap into this little bit of a volume imbalance. 30 seconds to go. Let's see if it closes there or not. 20 seconds. Looked like a bit of a beast. Oh yes, it was. I nearly fell out of it like 3 times. Which is embarrassing, but I did. I nearly solidly. Nope. No first presented there. Patience pays. Patience pays. It was insane. It was insane. The funniest thing was seeing like all these buckies drive past and they look small. And I'm like, okay. Okay then. Watch out, lots of absorption. It's sideways on ES right now. It is literally sideways. Okay, respecting that. So that's good. Did you just call a trailer or a truck a bucky, JP? No. You call a, what's it called? A pickup, right? Is that what you guys call it? Pickup? Here in South Africa, you call it a bucky. Let's see what counts. Oh, thanks, Life Sound. Yeah, it went a little bit down. I can show you. Oh, it'll just make me angry. It's fine. It should have been a green trade this morning. It should be a little bit higher, but it's fine. That's what they called in South Africa, JP. Have you never heard of that? No, it's a bucky. Here in South Africa, it's a bucky. I'm good. Thanks for asking. I have to set up my option position now. Nice. Okay. Again, anyone that's just hopped on, what's up? How are you doing?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
No, not a bucket. We call it a bucky. B-A-K-K-I-E. A bucky. I don't even know where Bucky came from, to be fair. Now that I've said it a few times, you know when you say a word over and over that it loses its meaning? Let me Google it. Oh, I spelled it like a chop. Bucky often misspelled referred to as... Yeah, here we go. It is just this. Wait. There we go. Bucky, B-A-K-K-I-E, yep, is a South African and Dutch term for pickup truck. It is widely used to refer a vehicle like a Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, blah, 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 buying used on new commercial vehicles. Yeah, here we go. Bucky's. Oh, I spelled it. Bucky origin. Pickup truck, derived from the Afrikaans word for a small container or a bowl, representing the open cargo area. Oh, that makes sense. Since the late 1960s refers to the light vehicle or Cooper designed after passenger. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. I get it. But yeah, it's a South African thing to call the pickup truck, if you will, a Bucky. Ta-da! Fun fact, even it's not even Friday. Now you know. Hey, Madsen, what's up? Noise. What is butterfly time? You do, what is it for? It's for fun. That is literally all it is for. It's for fun. If you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong. This sucks. Still don't have a first presented. Don't have any A+, nothing going on right now. Nothing. Nada. Nux. That being said, actually, I normally don't trust this, but theoretically, this would have been a winning trade. Interesting. Anyways, I know someone got stopped out. What do you mean, OTT? What happened? Who got stopped out? I've never done a short in my life. I'll be hating on butterfly of the day. We all look forward to it. There we go. Still short. Mental position should break. Blah, blah, blah. Still short. On live cattle position should break soon. Oh, what? ONFO has my day all unsmooth. What is ONFO? We've all had some bangers recently. We all broke out the range into a new one from the looks of it. No, don't be like that. Not be like that, Daddy. Let's not be negative, because you know we want happy things. Maybe this will make the chart start dancing. Ready? Yes? No? Maybe. Well, tapped into that volume balance, basically back into opening right. Well, new daily opening candle. Did I hear you say someone hit their stop? No. Well, OTT said, yeah. Spelled Bucky, but pronounced as Bucky, or broken into two words, buck and key. Okay, I'm out. We're 3 are up on the afternoon. Just shocked my son with $700 in 12 minutes. Gotta go, batteries draining and drinks are done. Makes up for yesterday's 2 hours. Hey, life sound, whoop whoop, well done. Okay, life sound gets a whoop whoop. And while on holiday, damn, look at you go. Okay. Nice life sound. We're gonna have to do like a celebration when you're back. I love it. Still waiting. Still waiting. Oh, Madsen, I'm good. I have a bid sitting at 326 for a buy. Appreciate you. Glad to see you back. Might get on for London tomorrow. Another traveling day. Back in UK tomorrow night. Oh my goodness, that's busy life sound. That's hectic. About 25438. Is it a juicy one? 25438 or 26438. Let's see what we have here. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Still nothing. We still wait. Bid equals limit order. Buy and ask limit order. So I'm going for that drop on the first candle because this chop is a weak source. 2543 after the pullback, of course. Oh, okay, okay, we good. Okay, my bad, my bad. Cheers, life sound. Have an amazing time. You're gonna have so much fun. I'm just gonna sit and wait. So that's cool. That's cool. We're gonna just be here. $9.47. Oh my gosh. And there's no news or anything today, hey? What's up? Oh. Is it okay? What happened? Okay. Go get them. Are you chilled? No? Harry's just lying on the floor barking at nothing. Literally on the floor. Oh, JP, he is so chilled. He is super chilled. He has not left my side since I've come home. He was very upset that I left him. And never leave him. Good grief. We have yet to have it first presented. Good grief. Before, so I'm buying, below 352 I'm selling. This is just, yeah, this is just, he should have his own Instagram. Info with a huge up and down. Did you answer what ONFO is? I don't know. I don't think I know what ONFO is. What does ONFO stand for? Social web markers based for scalp. This PA is nasty. I agree with you. Every time you say first presented, I think of what does first presented mean? Oh, Really? Look, the first presented, I don't know, I guess it shows quite a bit. For me anyways, I've become quite reliant on it. If it doesn't show up, I think it just means that there's no volume, which doesn't help at all. There's no volume and no momentum, which is not good for me because, as we know, my strategy is momentum strategy. With no first presented, well, that just means that there's no fair value gaps and I need fair value gaps. And it's been 20 minutes. I know, OTT. We are just sitting here waiting. I mean, to be fair, it took so long for London session to give me a trade. Oh well. Oh well. So what are you guys doing, seeming as we're gonna sit and wait for a little bit more confirmation? Loki looks like it's stuck between the bob level and the new daily opening gap. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we're gonna get some movement. 30 seconds to go. Maybe we have a first presented there. I don't think so though. Oh, yeah. So Louis, so the first presented is the first presented fair value gap. Sorry, my bad. 14 seconds. I mean, there's an itty bitty little baby one here. Literally. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There's a first presented. Cool. I want to see it pop into the bob level and then we can see what happens from there. Mod is ready to go, but there's nothing for me to do. Just let the market come to me. Okay, popped into bob level. Now we do this thing. ES looks a little bit better today. Oh well. Let's see what we get. We're gonna reject. We're gonna start moving. We don't know just yet. I think it's leaning towards don't know just yet. And the levels I told you about on ES. I did mark them out. There's the one. There's the other. I think it's headed to that level on ES. I mean, it looks like it's sprinting there. Literally, good grief, here we go. Okay. What are we gonna get now? It's gonna keep going down. Entered at 350. Nice. Where's your TP at, Louis? Yes, DJ Webb. Stop loss in place and naked TP. Oh, okay, damn, Louis. You're just leaving it as a runner. Okay. We're not gonna retest or anything here? No? No? We're just gonna deep dive. Cool. Let me take shorts now. I'm broken holding will I daily open as I get back above. I have a feeling this thing might just run away. Wait. This could be a bob to bob level if it retests, so there's a break. Might be slightly overextended. It's still reaching for that level on ES though. Louis, are you saying I'm chasing it or are you saying you're chasing it? Holy guacamole. Okay, it didn't quite break where I wanted to see it break. Let's do that, so that did go there. Back to the 1 minute. Not a fan of this trade. I need a better trade here. Remember when I said selling below 352? I think this could be going down 3 of your bob levels. Let's see, I could place an order for here. Just want to be greedy. If this starts going down, if it breaks here, we could be good. A little bit stuck here. I know I don't strategy hop, but good grief, I need something for when it just keeps running away. Yeah, anyways. Hey Hammer, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Sorry, I'm being awfully quiet. It just consolidated, then ran away, so I'm sitting. Literally sitting. Waiting. How's it going, Hammer? How was your... When is your bride? Don't you have a bride today? My stop loss is at 330, scaling in 2 more contracts. It's really struggling to break there. Hey Ink Boy, what's up? Sell manipulation on, maybe I don't sell my trade now. I love how everyone sees the charts differently. It's absolutely wild. Wildly frustrating sometimes, but still wild. Hey Gawk, what's up? How you doing? Anyone that's just hopped on, There we go.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How's everybody doing? It's not a nice doji. You want these to be more doji-ish than whatever the heck it's doing right now. Oh, I know. Why do you think I haven't taken a trade, Davey? It's done 50% of this range. Nope. Rejection off of there. This could start going back up now. Just watching what it's doing on ES. Ah, this could start going back up now. Let's see when it breaks above. Okay, we're a little bit stuck in this institutional level right now. Just an itty bitty little bit stuck. Okay. Would be nice to get an A+ setup. Would be nice. We're gonna get something though, maybe not. What's the time looking like? 10:03 markets have only been open for like an hour. Hey, yeah, we get comfy. Okay. Harry's just over there snorting. Wow. Just wow. I'm not gonna take this trade, but I'm curious. Curiosity is getting the best of me, so there would have been entry for a long. SMT created on NQ. 25 minutes till institutions pull out. Still nothing A+ for me. It's a little bit of a lie. That's A plus. Would be safer to say that that's actually A plus? I prefer the stop loss a little bit higher up though, if I'm being honest. Hey, Silent Hustle. I know, I wasn't thinking of doing a buy, don't worry. I'm doing that out of curiosity. This is for a sell here. I wonder how much I would be risking. Ah, that's why. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm ready to risk that much just yet. It's still cooking for my entry, not good to buy. So, Damn, it took me out of bad profit. Nice, Louis. Tapped into the new daily opening gap. Nothing much stopping it from going back down. I'm curious to see what it does once we've filled here. It's more than I'm willing to risk though. Shoot. Hey Kevin, I know it's a bit of a wild ride recently, huh? What are you doing? Oh, you caught a fly. Okay. Harry caught a fly. In case anyone was wondering, he's very proud of himself. More than I'm willing to risk, or else I would probably have taken this short over here. Would I? Not the best area with the bob level. Shoot. Harry? You mean Perry? Well, it would have gone over 50%, so I definitely would have gone to break even with this buy. Only the range wasn't so big, I would have taken this trade. Damn. See if it would have worked out. We are good now. This is good. Huh. You say so, Silent Hustle? Dropped further than I would have wanted to have gone. Hey, we all being played? What's up? No, this is a fun bit. How are you doing? My profit, so which way this wants to go, I'm happy. Nice, JP, well done. Retest it there again. I think this thing's going up to BWAP. Which means it's going bob to bob. Nice. Just nice. Aw, thanks, we all being played. How have you been? Sold at 362, stop loss 385. I'm watching this. Give me a second. Let me actually draw this out. I think this thing's going back up. Silent Hustle, this is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. Trust in the bob levels. Should have taken this one. Look at this mother fluffer. Ah, trust the bob levels. Can't believe it. Okay. Bob to bob. Louis, did it take you out? Not yet. You're still in this thing. Never mind. Louis, did it take you out? Bob to bob. Rejection down. Now we can start looking for shorts. Now we have the possibility for shorts to come in. Market expected to retrace slightly before moving up. What did I say? Now we're good for sells. Took out some of those stop losses, and here we go. Hey, Carl, what's up? Aw, Louis, it's okay. Do you know what that means, though? It means you get the stop loss sound. Are you ready? Are you ready for the stop loss sound? All good. Been bad work. Do some fun. I started my technique up the last 2 weeks, hoping to be back to normal. Yeah, we all being played? Yep. It messed up with everything for March. So March was rough. March was really rough for me. I'm hoping now that we're going back to quote-unquote normal. It appears that, yes, we may be. But let me not get too excited about that. Holding it at 391 because I'm stupid like that. Nasdaq was rough in March, yep. And I got my funded in March. So literally I basically got my funded and then essentially my strategy stopped working in March because like Debbie pointed out, we were kind of stuck in a range and my strategy doesn't work with range. It's more of a momentum strategy. So yeah, that was a roller coaster of doubting everything and second guessing everything. It appears that my strategy is back to being a winning strategy, but let's not push it. Let's wait for some more wins before I start getting like, yay, we're back. Hey Tools, what's up? Indian, is the stop loss sound? I have no idea. It just became a thing. It's gonna make you feel better just because it's so ridiculous. I think that's just it. Here we go. Should have actually entered on a short here at 370. Back down to the bob level. Hey Kenrick, what's up? Cheers JP, enjoy. To anyone that did get green, by the way, well done. You'll get a whoop whoop. Yeah, shucks. Too close to the bob level. If I was gonna retrace a little bit earlier, I would have been like, hey, here we go. But unfortunately not. You seen audio? No, not really. Have you tried doing screenshots and posting it at AI Reader app? I have not. Nope, don't like it. There's very specific things I look for. I don't even know if I can explain them anymore. Maybe I need to just start trading ES. This looks like it's headed for a win on ES. I drew out the range. Check. Ooh, to be fair, maybe I would have gone break even if I hadn't have moved to break even. This looks like it's headed for a winner chicken dinner on ES. Bob's Levels NQ indicator on TradingView is now open to the public for free. Really? Hi, Bob. How are you doing? There we go, guys. If you guys want the Bob secret sauce levels, it's now available on TradingView for free. Let's go 1020. Nope. Absolutely ridiculous. Earl C, thank you for. It's a downtrend close day. Right now it's a sit and wait day. If I'd taken the bob to bob trade that I had set up, it would have been a winner chicken dinner. Maybe I should have just done that, but it's fine. We continue. Hey Abhishek, what's up? How you doing? To anyone that's just hopped on, hope you're amazing.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Okay, 9 minutes to go until 10:30. Sometimes we get some decent stuff then. Patience pays. Trading must be boring. I have to remind myself about that. Did you click the link, Earl? My entry missed by the tick. No, Richie, I'm so sorry. Let's see if it would have tagged me in for this. Nah, not even close. Not even close. Oh, Richie, I'm so sorry. That really, really sucks. You might be on the other... Give me a second. Let's see. See if I can help you out. Here you go, Earl. I'm crying out loud. It won't let me copy paste it. Shoot. Oh no! I closed that. Oopsies. Give me a second. Earl, it's on the other chat. If that helps you at all. I don't know if that helps you at all. But it is on the other chat. No, wait. I think that's the wrong one. Wrong chat. Give me a second. Opened up the wrong one. Oopsies. There we go. This should be the right one. Yeah. I found it. I found it. Nobody panic. Everybody calm down. Nobody panic. Thanks, Bob. Okay. Maybe you got it there. Not bad. That's the round of the day. To sit and be patient is a pain. You are well, actually that was Bob. Say thanks to Bob. Your chart has a 2 or 3 minute delay. No, I don't know if my chart does, maybe just YouTube does, but definitely no delay here. It means maybe you can tell me what's going to happen in the future. Are we buying or selling, seeing as there's a delay? There we go. Huge whoop whoop for Bob. Right? Whoop whoop for Bob. I'm curious to see how many people are going to use it now. Crying out loud. Whoa, okay. Sorry. Ah. The audacity? Rude. Is that YouTube? Thank you. We all being played. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can see how many people use it. I'm always curious to see how many people are gonna use it. Okay, that was a hectic rejection. What's up, Vladimir? How are you doing? How's it going? How's it going? Okay, I've got to give it its time. Got to give it its time. Although it looks like it's kind of going back into a range now, doesn't it? That's irritating. That's very, very irritating. Why are we going back into a range? The heck is beast indicator? Hey Hadman, what's up? How you doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Start a volume profile. I'm assuming that's what you use, right? Aw, cheers Earl, enjoy, thanks for hopping on. Shoot, we're just gonna be ranging between the bob levels, aren't we? Sugar honey iced tea. Okay. Balance levels with price accumulates and weak areas. Hey Datsun Dog, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? You're just in time. I think it's time to do butterfly of the day because I think this needs to decide where it's going. I have a very bad feeling that it's gonna decide to go sideways. Sucks for me, but it is what it is. So let's do butterfly of the day because we can. Sorry, we're looking up buckies and things earlier because people were like, what's a bucky? It's a pickup or a whatever you want to call it. I know a lot of people call it a pickup. Ooh, okay, let's do it's called a forest white butterfly. It's gonna be our butterfly of the day. Ta-da! This is our butterfly of the day. Look how pretty its wings are. Look at it. Okay, he's very, very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so are we ready? So the forest white, wingspan of 40 to 50 millimeters. Okay, so it's not so bad. Sorry, waiting to see what it says here. So apparently they've fast flying, I can tell you that much. Their fast flying distribution is edges of coastal lowland and riverine forest along rivers from Knysna, Western Cape to KwaZulu-Natal, Afro-montane forest patches, and suitable woodland in Limpopo province, Northwest province, and Gauteng. Okay, so it's pretty common. It's pretty common. Habitat is hillsides, gullies, and coast. Flight period is year-round in warmer areas, peaks November to Feb. And I'm going to try and say its Latin name. Are you ready? Belanoes zochalia. Yes. Yes. So that's our butterfly of the day. He's very cool. Oh, check, he has a blue body. That's awesome. There we go. So, forest white butterfly is our butterfly of the day. Let's see if the charts have moved. And not really. Okay. I was getting all excited. Hello, Michelle, got it. Nailed it. So sideways probably. I know these. Have a great day. Other Maya? Other Maya? Who's Other Maya? Are you Maya? Yeah, I don't understand. Anyways, you've turned me into butterfly fan. A butterfly fan. Anyways, butterfly fan. I get so excited for butterfly of the day. Yay! I'm so glad. So do I. I'm not gonna lie. Butterfly of the day is lots of fun. So do you know what the only problem is? Hear me out. The only problem is this butterfly book is for the butterflies of South Africa. I feel like I'm gonna have to get a butterfly book for butterflies of the world. Now hear me out, right? This book is pretty big. And this is just butterflies of South Africa. I mean, there's what, 400? Wait. Let me tell you. and 13 pages. All of them have 2 to 3 butterflies. Oh, sometimes even, I mean, this one has 5 butterflies. Just to give you an idea of how many freaking butterflies there are. And these are just South African butterflies. Now, can you imagine we had one? Yeah, crazy, lots of butterflies. Can you imagine we had one for the world? Let's expose her. The other Maya. Yeah, I'm very confused. I want to know who the other Maya is. Other Maya is the scam eye, but it makes sense. The forest white butterfly and has a seriously chill nighttime habit. It gathers in big groups to roost, commonly on the same twigs or leaves, huddling together like a fluffy. That is adorable. White sleep of a body deep in African forest. Most butterflies crash solo. This one throws a squad slumber fest every night. Pure forest vibes. I love that. That is so freaking cool.
Nice.
It's exposed with the other one. Crazy, lots of butterflies. How can I learn to trade? What the? Ugo Chu? I'm sure there are books for that. Invite her. You want to learn how to trade? I'm still learning. Well, I've learned patience. I'm trying to learn patience. Can you tell that I'm just like, really? Part of me wants to pull up the fun facts. Purely because of the fact that this is agonizingly slow right now. Oh well, if I'd taken the Bob's Bob level. Ah, if only. If I had taken the Bob's Bob level, I would have had a win, which would have been cool, but it's fine. Nothing here is A+. I mean, Let me have a look at this. Nah. All I had was the bob level for this one. So that one's not ideal. Waiting for your A+ setup is a pain in the butt sometimes. At least you know the basics. How can I start? I would start with just YouTubing basic things like what's it called? Sorry, my brain's having a bit of a meltdown. Market structure, like basic market structure, and learning about candles and the wicks and things like that. I would start with that. Especially if you're wanting to do day trading. Maybe let's ask that question. Is the plan to do day trading, investing, or swing trading? Big V, what happened to the... Do you mean the funded account? Oh, yeah. No, this is still it. This is still the funded account. Don't ask me how, but it's still the funded account. It's still standing. I don't know how, but it's still going. Damn, another 20 bucks. Oh no, Louis, I'm sorry. It's okay though, 20 bucks isn't bad. Bob to Bob. I just can't believe it's gone Bob to Bob again. Oh my gosh, Richard. Sorry, English. Are you good? Thanks, Big V. It's tough. I'm not gonna lie. I'm struggling, but it's okay. We keep on keeping on. And I'm waiting for an A+ setup, but that I don't know if it's gonna present itself. I don't know if I'm gonna get an A+ setup today. 1037. Maybe not. I'd honestly learn the psychology of money before you look at charts and understand how the world works. Based on personality. Yep, I'm mad green for the day, so we good. Nice, Louis. Why don't you share the love, right? Just kidding. Just kidding. Guys, don't forget that Tradeify special ends on the 30th. Just a reminder that Tradeify special does end on the 30th. Online New York was trash. Right, OTT. I am very much disappointed. I mean, like, part of me doesn't even know if I should bother staying for longer. There's still potentially time. Let me at least give it until like lunchtime, which is 11 EST time. I'm good. Yeah, I'm busy with the evaluation for 100k funded account. Just opened it yesterday. Are you active on this Insta, by the way? I sent you a DM the other day. Did you? I'm sorry. I am. I did check it out. Maybe I missed the message. I'm sorry. London was better than this. I do agree. And London was slow. But London was better than this OTT. It's putting me to sleep. Okay, well, I'm giving it a chance. I'm giving it a chance. Let's give it 20 more minutes, right? Share the love. How can I do that? I have no idea. No, I was messing with you. I don't know. I didn't have a plan. I was just like, share the love, and then I was like, oh, I don't know how you're gonna do that. Right, I am very much disappointed in New York. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Guys, I know it's not Friday, but should we do some fun facts? Who said that? What do you guys think? I know it's not Friday though, so markets are the market. Sometimes there's action, sometimes there's none. Just don't force nothing, guys. Exactly, Madsen. That makes me think of that. Is it a meme? I guess it's a meme. Sometimes maybe good, sometimes maybe it with a sh in front of it. Oh my gosh. New York is just my long-term trading. It's still, I mean, it looks like it still wants to go down to that level, joy of travel. If you're from Cape Town, I might help you with trading. Hey, Green Globe, look at you go. You wanting to start mentoring people? Is that the plan? Ba-ba-ba-dum. Ba-dum-ba-dum. 10:42. Come on. Okay. New York is making me sad. No, only that guy. Oh. Okay. Are you sure? You sure? Yes, I'll probably not trade this session, but let's see. No one wanted to do fun facts with me, so we're not gonna do fun facts today. We'll wait for tomorrow. Rude. Because tomorrow is fun fact day. Well, we're still watching. We're still waiting. Is anyone in on a trade? Fun fix. Only Cape Town people. Wow. Wow. As a non-Cape Townian, I'm offended. I'm just saying. Just saying. Rude. Very, very rude. Okay, you guys have spoken. I mean, I low-key forced you guys to say yes, but you guys have spoken, so guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a fun fact because we can, and because this market is so slow. Let's do fun fact generator. Aw, Madsen, you won't be here tomorrow. There we go. Now we have to do it. I'm in no trade. Okay, so all of us are just like, we're hands off. Guys, yell if it looks like it's gonna start doing something good. Oh, okay, it's to do with planets again. Jupiter has more than 95 known moons, and with improved technology, we continue to discover even more orbiting the giant planet. I'm pretty sure we've heard this one before. This is new. The cross symbol is usually written beside a person's name to indicate that they have died. However, it actually represents a dagger, not a crucifix. What? Is this true? I don't know about this one. Do you guys know about this one? I don't know about this one. Like in the olden times, because I don't think people do this anymore. Let me check, and just looks like we're going back Bob's Bob again. Next one. This is funny. This is funny. You are 10 times more likely to get bitten by a New Yorker than a shark. That is hilarious. I think that's our fun fact of the day right there. Christmas fact makes no sense at all. Okay, thanks, Madsen. All of us were like, what? What does that mean? This, though, I can believe. I don't know why. I get the fact that people from New York will come and bite you just for fun. Okay, this is our fun fact of the day because that is hilarious. You are 10 times more likely to get bitten by a New Yorker than a shark. Hey, okay, we got some movement. Is this decent movement, though? Is this movement that's going to start breaking up above? What are they saying about New Yorkers? Nothing. Nothing. Go back to the charts. If this wasn't right by a bob level. How big is this? If this wasn't right by a bob level, this is low-key a good trade. Am I willing to risk this? Where it looks like it could want to go down a little bit further. No, it's had a bit of a risky. A lot of crackheads in New York when I was there. Tried to mug me, but I laughed. It was like a movie scene, and the guy made a depressed face. He kept walking. Louis, that's rough. That is rough. You literally upset a mugger to the point that they didn't want to mug you anymore. That is a little bit insane. Slash funny. I actually can't believe that happened to you. I literally cannot believe that happened to you. Okay. Guys, this is really sad. Total profit I've made till now. Nothing yet. Hey, Sudan, what's up? Welcome. Here we go. No. I'll mind my own business, but don't get in my face type of people. Yeah, I was out. She could have stabbed me in the neck and I would have been fully. But we kept laughing for like 2 blocks. Wow. Wow, I'm assuming you were with friends and you were just like, this is normal. This is fine. Man, the only problem with this trade is where it is with respect to the bob level. Damn! Otherwise, this one is a pretty solid trade. I do feel like it has to get out of this range first, though. And it's about to tap into VWAP on ES. Gonna need that to break above VWAP on ES first before we start getting too excited about life. Okay. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Sorry. Having to deal with things and stuff. I did say I would give this until 11. Oh, man. I'm really conflicted with this trade. But it did just happen to VWAP. And I don't like where it is with regards to the bob level. Damn. But it is A+. What's up, Toby? How you doing? Everyone's a little quiet today. It's just one of those days. What should be a win? If it is a win, I might kick myself, but it's fine. I'm calling it now. You have 5.5 miles to go. 5.5 miles to go. Good grief. Wow. Oh, we're like, oh, look at that. Amazing. We're laughing at it again. Wow. Toby, you're at work. That sucks. I'm sorry. I'm just low-key here being quiet. It's been a long month, guys. April has been so long. And it's a weird thing to say, but April has been so long. Scroll down, side pump book. Yay, kidoki. Just a little test on ES going short, but if I lose, that's fine. Hey, Jude, not Joodle. Jude, what's up? How you doing? I'm sorry for calling you Joodle. My bad. I'm good. I like to work near money to buy a car for 20k. That's valid. Well, that's a bummer. They would have been my entry. Oh well, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It is what it is. I'm trying to get into serious trade, but it's taking me the time to get it. Excellent. I mean, yeah, no one ever said trading would be quick and easy, right? And if they did, they lied. Sorry. If they told you trading would be quick and easy, they solidly lied to your face. Just saying. Trading is hard. It'll be worth it in the end, but in the beginning, it's rough. Okay, so definitely would have been taken out for break even. Yep. I mean, it was a decent bounce. Okay, so as I was saying, these bob levels hold up. Oh my gosh. At least I listened to myself. I sometimes don't do that. Okie dokie, these markets are just messing with everyone right now. What the actual heck, man? Is everyone good? Everyone's being so quiet. I know I'm being quiet. Like I said, it's been a long week. But is everybody else good? How's everybody else doing? That was insane. Like I said, that obviously... well, it wouldn't have taken me out, but it would have been close to take me out. But definitely would have been break even. Let's put it that way. Holy guacamole. That was, yeah, that was something. Now we might break up. This is where we might start going up, up and away. It's solidly rejecting off of the midpoint of the 930 range. So essentially what I'm saying is we're stuck in a range. We are actually just stuck right now. That's what you shouldn't do. There we go. Louis, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Just... wow. At this point, I'm convinced you should have like 2 evals going. The one, you take your setups, and the second one, you just fade yourself and see which one works. How freaking funny would that be? Look at my just digesting the market movements, holding some positions, but they are in losses at the moment. Yeah, Madsen, this is tough. This is not easy right now. This is really... yeah. This is not easy to trade right now. Hey Rush, how much money in profits have you made? Like how many winners have I had? Or if you're asking about payouts, I haven't had a payout yet. I literally only celebrated 1 year of trading on Tuesday. Tuesday was officially 1 year of trading. How wild. Hey Bumsy, what's up? How you doing? Hey, what's up? How are you, Azam? Are you good? Are you doing amazing? I mean, I'm not loving these charts right now. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if anyone is in a trade, but this is... yeah, this is just low-key stuck. Oh, thanks, Datsun. I mean, the trading journey has been wild. Ups and downs. It took me a while to find a strategy I liked. Then that strategy I liked, I mean, it took me a few months to pass my first ever eval because obviously nerves and things. Then I got this funded account and the war happened, right? So March was rough. So March and my strategy just didn't work. I nearly got, I think I was $15 away from hitting my max drawdown limit, which is insane. So I'm now very, very slowly climbing my way back out of this drawdown. Slowly being the key word here, guys. You're a beginner and you want to ask one question, of course. What's up? What's the question? I hope I can answer it. Interesting. What's the most important thing in trading? The psychology. I mean, risk management, but I feel like that's part of the psychology. But I would have to say psychology is the most important thing. It's rough, but that's life. What's your drawdown limit? My drawdown limit is 48325, if I'm not mistaken. I went down to 340. So 340, or was it 345? I think I was $20 away from hitting the max drawdown, which was insane. So we are up. We are up again, just slowly but surely. Bought again at 14 after big wick. Stop loss at break even. Nice, nice, nice. Not bad, not bad, not bad, Louis. Okay. Hey, Smeagol, what's up? I nearly said what's up, my precious, but never mind, never mind. I won't do that. 11:02. I did say I was going to stop after this much, but now it looks like we're actually getting something. Sorry. Itchy eyeball. How this is... No, this is not coin. This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How can I be of assistance today? TP is midnight. Ooh, nice TP. I like it. Ew. I have two things with that. Examples of the psychology. Oh, I mean, like, sure. How do I explain the psychology, guys? Like taking the trades, or knowing when to lower the risk. Like sometimes you get so scared that you don't take a trade, even though it would have been a winning trade. The psychology to know when to not take a trade, like if you know the market conditions are not correct for your trading strategy, the psychology to not let the fear of missing out take over and for you to just step back and sit out. That's important. Trade equals psychology. Like I said, yeah. The psychology, so for me, it would also be like having rules and sticking to those rules. For me, that would be the psychology as well. Having a set rules for your trading style and sticking with it. I'd be going for London High. How to improve that? That just comes with practice. Unfortunately, I would say that just has to come with practice. TP slapped. Noise, Louis! Whoop whoop. Proud of you. Well done. Banger. Made my money back. What's your day job? What makes you think I have a day job? Dun dun dun. Okay. Don't like that. This is making me sad. Ironically, that looks better. Hey, Mr. Chaos, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? I know, I do not know how, but we are still here. We are still standing. I have been making a conscious effort to take all of my A+ setups. It's been going good. It's been going good. Hi, handsome. Hello. We have a little Perry. Come say hi. Hello, what do you want? Are you hungry? Is it dinner time? Oh dear. I see it's dinner time. Thanks, I catch the shorts. A good day for me. Hey, Mr. Chaos. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Like I said, I'm low-key watching this now, trying to decide about this. Not so sure. I need it to break above the 930. Louis, I love it. I love it. Okay. NQ, you have 3 minutes. 3 minutes, or I might just call it early today. Because this is giving me nothing. I know it's given a few of you some really good bangers, but for me, it has given me nothing at all. Hey, Bean. What you said? It's sad. Hey, it's sad. Use the full ranges. Just in case we don't want chaos in our community. Wow, damn, Green. Don't hold back on what you're feeling. Good grief. 2 minutes. You heard me. 2 minutes. Did you hear that, Bean? 2 minutes. He just burped. Basically in my face. That was rude. Okay, then. Shows me what he's thinking of me right now. You can't scare me away. He lives for the chaos. Come on, that was good. Come on, that was good. Cannot deny it, that was giddy. I think it's just running away, but if it does come back, this might be it. I don't know if it's gonna come back down there. What's up? Aw, yeah, Green Globe versus Miss Chaos would be a great comic book. No! Come back. Come tag me in first. Rude. Oh, it's gonna take out London Eye. Oh, puppies. That's my point of interest. Man. Sugar honey iced tea. Are you gonna edge some people, come back down, and then go for London High? That would be great. Nope. Literally just gonna edge people. Feels rude. That feels very disrespectful, but whatever. Put it on demo and then stick to it when you go live, risking little at first. Oh, it's edging people. That's rude. What's up, George? How you doing? I've got my trade. I've got my trade. I've got my trade. Let's see if it comes to get me in. Oh, no. Shoot, man. Problem is, this would be the better one. I'll do that. That's a little bit better. Okay, if it takes out London High, I'm done. You bought at 453. Has it taken you out yet, or are you still good, Louis? Are you still in this thing? Okay. Well, I've said it. Like I said, if it goes back up, then it is what it is. This dirty bird better not give me 20 bucks. I mean, it's pushing high on ES. I think you're good, Louis. I don't think it's gonna come and get me. And Leo, you are correct. I am in my— I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm in my late 20s. I am turning 28 this year, 28. Wow. Wow, okay. That's insane. I cannot believe that. Oh, okay. And boom. Okay, I'm calling it. I'm a call it a day there. At the 1:15. Well done, Louis. I hope that didn't take you out. No ways! 28th is Julying. That was so bad. With my humor though, you would think that I was like a middle-aged father. But here we are. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day there, guys. I can feel that frustrations and doubts are starting to come through, so let me rather call it there before I do something dumb. Because I know me quite well. I've had to deal with me for 28 years. If I carry on, I'm gonna do dumb things. So, I love you guys madly. Go change numbers? What do you mean go change numbers? Anyways, I love you guys madly. I'm gonna call it there. Unfortunately, no trades for New York today. Big sad, but it's fine. One loss that should have it didn't even tick me out, guys. It got me by the spread, and it should have been a winner during London today, but it's fine. Lesson learned. My bad. I will be back tomorrow. London and New York. It's Friday tomorrow, guys. You know what that means? Pure chaos. So, get ready. Fridays, I tend to be a little bit more unhinged, so this is gonna be so much fun. So come and join me for all of the chaos that's about to happen tomorrow, London and New York session. Be there or be square. That's a saying. I love you. Don't forget to press the like button. And if you guys want discounts, don't forget Tradeify. That awesome special ends on the 30th. Once-off payments, guys. Not a monthly subscription anymore. For evals. Just saying. Putting it out there. I love your discipline. Aw, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. See you then tomorrow. Trade safe. Bye.